Hey viewers, this is my 9-year-old boxer. His name is Toby, and he just had surgery on his ear. He had an aural hematoma. He's all drugged up, and he did really good. And he's really sleepy. And when I mean he did really good, I mean he did really good in the surgery. His motor skills are gone right now because the drugs are in his system. He had another aural hematoma in the other ear a couple years ago. Here's where I took him to get the surgery done. This is where they hooked him up to the IV right here. They shaved him. Toby, you drunk? You drunk? Lie back down, man. We'll get those drugs out of your system soon. Lie back down. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Alright, we're gonna let him get some rest, and let's wish him a good recovery.